Hi everyone! What time is it? Well, it's time to talk about telling time on a clock. Now, I think most of you know that this is a clock, and clocks have 2 hands. Well, some have 3, but we don't have to worry about that too much. On this clock, there are 2 hands. There's a big minute hand that tells us the minutes, and a small hour hand that tells us the hours. Now, the hour hand always says the number that it's pointing to, loud and clear. For example, 3. But the minute hand is a little bit more tricky because it has some secret identities. What does that mean? Well, that means that when the minute hand points to a number, like 12, we don't say 12. No, no, no. We say its secret identity. O'clock. So, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. And if we move the hour hand to here, what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. But what if this minute hand moves here? Now what time is it? What is the secret identity of this number? What if the clock now looks like this? What time is it now? What is the secret identity of this number? Well, this is what we are going to talk about today. And I'm sure it's going to be a great time.
How do we tell time when the hands are going in all different directions around the clock? Well, when we tell the time, we say it is the minutes, which is a secret identity, and then the hour. Let's talk about the minutes hand first. Remember, this is the minutes hand. It's the big hand, and it has a secret identity. Let's start with this secret identity here. If the big minute hand points to the 1, we don't say 1. We say its secret identity, which is 5 past. If it points to the 2, we don't say 2. We say its secret identity, which is 10 past. If the big hand is pointing here, we say a quarter past. If it points to the 4, we say 20 past. If it points to the 5, we say 25 past. And if it points to the 6, we say half past. So these are the secret identities of the big hand, and they all have something in common. They all say past, 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 past. Now, what happens with these secret identities here? Well, if the minute hand points to the 7, we don't say 7. We say 25-2. The 8 is 22. The 9 is a quarter to. The secret identity of a 10 is 10-2. And the secret identity of 11 is 5 2. So all of these secret identities have something in common as well. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. So these are the secret identities of the big hand that tell us the minutes of the time. But what about the hour? Well, the hour is a little bit easier. The hour hand is the small hand, this one here. And it doesn't have a secret identity. It says who it is, loud and clear. So for example, here, this hour hand is pointing to the 5. So we say 5. If it points to the 1, we say 1. Or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. No secret identities here with the little hand or the hour hand. So, what time is it? Well, we say, it is, first we look at the minutes, the big hand, and it is pointing to almost to the 9. So we say, 1/4 is the secret identity of the big hand, and it's almost to the 9. So we say, almost 1/4, and the little hand is pointing to the 5. So we say 5. It is almost 5:15.
Right then. Now you know all of the secret identities of the long minute hand. For example, the secret identity of this number is 1/4, whereas the hour hand just says the number that it points to, 8. So what time is it? 8:15. So now it's time for you to try the exercises. And don't worry, I'm sure you are going to have a great time. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.